The second topic is comparison between the underground distribution system and the overhead distribution system. There are few points to compare the underground distribution system and overhead distribution system. First point, public safety. The underground cable is more safer than the overhead system. जो अंडरग्राउंड केबल है मोर सेफली यूज़ कर सकते हैं पब्लिकली एज कम्पेयर टू ओवरहेड सिस्टम. सेकेंड पॉइंट, द इनिशियल कॉस्ट ऑफ द अंडरग्राउंड सिस्टम इज मोर देन द ओवरहेड सिस्टम. Therefore, the underground system is more expensive. Working voltage, the underground system cannot be operated above the 66 kV. That means underground system को हम above 66 kV के operate नहीं कर सकते because the insulation difficulties. But overhead system can be designed operation up to the 400 kV. Fourth point is maintenance cost. The low maintenance cost required in the underground system as compared to the overhead line system. Now fifth point is surge effect. The underground system surge effect is smoothed down as the surge energy is absorbed by the sheath. Underground जो भी सिस्टम होगा उसमें जो सर्जेस ऑकर होते हैं वो सर्जेस शीथ के द्वारा एब्जॉर्ब कर लिए जाते हैं. सिमिलरली फ्यू मोर पॉइंट्स. फर्स्ट, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी जो कि अंडरग्राउंड केबल में लेस होती है एंड ओवर हेड लाइन्स में ज़्यादा होती है. फ्रिक्वेंसी ऑफ एक्सीडेंट्स. Chances of accident is less in the underground system and in overhead system is more. The voltage drop in underground system, voltage drop is less due to the conductor inductance is low. Because the inductance is high in overhead system, the voltage drop is high. Fault repair in underground system, fault occurrence is rare. There is rare chance to occurring the fault, but it occurs difficulty to repair it. But in overhead lines या overhead system, we can easily repair the faults. Next, the thunderstorm और lightning भी कहते हैं इसे. In underground system, free from the interruption due to the lightning, and in overhead lines, the lightning stroke or thunderstorm can be severe from the overhead lines. ये दोनों के कंपैरिजन है अंडरग्राउंड एंड ओवरहेड ट्रांसमिशन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम के लिए.